Learn with me. A for apple, B for banana, C for cat, D for dolphin, E for elephant, F for fish, Z for giraffe, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kitten, L for lion, M for monkey, N for notebook, O for owl, P for pig, Q for question, R for rainbow and rat, S for shoes, T for turtle, U for umbrella, V for van, W for winter, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak, Z for zebra.